The Khan of Gods!
Okay, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you all know, I love lights. I have LED lights everywhere in my office. I have POC lights. I have lights everywhere, essentially. Now, the company that makes the strip light behind my desk, Dotstone, actually reached out to me and sent me a new unit of their latest LED lights. These ones are supposed to be able to sync with the music that you're playing in the room or in your office or wherever you're using this light. Essentially, you can see that the is reacting to the sound of my voice. Basically, this is the unit that actually reacts to the music. This is the part that goes into the power outlet and powers the device. So I mean, they're LED lights. It's not as if there's really a lot to say about LED lights or there's some mind-blowing review needed to be done about LED lights. The important things are they going to last? How is the quality of the strips? And how is the adhesive behind the strips? And so far, I think this worked perfectly fine. But just so we're sure it works perfectly fine, I'm going to play some music now so that I can dance and move to, you know. Alright, so after that intense dancing session, I am sweating a little bit. But essentially, I guess the only thing to say is these are advertised to be musical reacting LED lights, and they exactly do that. It seems as though they do exactly what they're advertised to do. And, you know, while a lot of people are not going to be using this, I mean, I don't see myself using this permanently. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I don't see myself using this permanently behind my desk with the LED light feature turned, the musical reactive light feature turned on. But luckily, you can actually still use it in different ways with different settings. And they actually also include a remote control in the box, so you can, you know, change the lights to do whatever you want. So yeah, it's multi-purpose and it actually costs less than $20 right now, so you could easily pick this up on Amazon. So there's not much else to say about these LED lights, man. They're LED lights, they function, they have an extra feature that you may or may not need. And yeah, a huge shout out to Leonara from Dotstone for sending this out to me. I appreciate you. I am actually going to be giving away this particular unit of mine because I don't need another LED lights. Like I said, the LED strips behind my desk are from the exact same company, Dotstone, and I control those ones from my phone. And you know, I don't necessarily need to take this ones out and put this ones in. So it's probably best to just give this to somebody else, right? So if you want this, leave a comment in the comment section below telling me why you want it, and I will pick one random winner and I will ship this to them, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.
The Khan of Gods!